Embarking on a budget-friendly journey opens the door to a world of small wonders and intriguing experiences. From living on a houseboat to dumpster diving for sustainable living, the unconventional paths of travel foster a deep curiosity for the extraordinary in the ordinary. Uncover the magic in everyday moments as you immerse yourself in wildlife conservation, artistic residencies, and language immersion, finding beauty in the simplicity of life while exploring the world on a budget. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Bicycle touring. Bicycle touring is a captivating way to explore the world at your own pace, forging a deep connection with the landscapes and cultures you encounter. Whether you choose to venture solo or join a group tour, the sense of freedom and self-reliance that comes with touring on a bike is unparalleled. Carrying your camping gear allows you to embrace spontaneity, setting up your temporary home wherever you please. From the challenging mountain passes to the tranquil countryside, bicycle touring offers a unique and personal perspective on the world. Each pedal stroke unveils new horizons, and every encounter with locals adds a layer of cultural understanding to your journey. 2. Wildlife conservation. Wildlife conservation takes you to the heart of remote and pristine natural areas, where you contribute to a noble cause while living on a budget. Whether you're monitoring elusive animal populations or assisting in habitat restoration, your days are filled with meaningful work that directly impacts the environment. Living in these locations immerses you in the sights and sounds of nature. You wake up to the chorus of birds, experience breathtaking sunsets over vast landscapes, and develop a profound connection to the wildlife and ecosystems you're protecting. It's an adventure that combines your love for nature with a deep sense of responsibility. 3. Language immersion. Traveling to a non-English speaking country and engaging in language immersion is a transformative experience. While mastering a new language is a central focus, it's the cultural immersion that truly enriches your journey. Language courses, often offered in immersive settings, provide intensive learning experiences. You'll practice conversational skills daily, enabling you to communicate with locals and understand the nuances of their culture. Staying with host families during homestays allows you to see daily life from an insider's perspective, participating in family gatherings, festivals, and traditions. Language immersion becomes a gateway to deeper cultural understanding and cross-cultural friendships. 4. House-sitting. House-sitting offers a unique form of travel where you step into the shoes of a local, becoming a temporary resident in someone else's home. The diversity of homes you might stay in ranges from cozy city apartments to rustic countryside cottages. The responsibilities vary, from caring for pets and maintaining the property to simply keeping the house lived in. House-sitting builds a special bond of trust between homeowners and house-sitters. As you live in a neighborhood rather than a hotel, you connect with the community, shop at local markets, and experience the everyday life of your chosen destination. It's an enriching way to explore new places while providing peace of mind to homeowners. 5. Work on organic farms, WIUving. Joining the worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, WWF program is an immersive experience in sustainable living. Your journey takes you to organic farms where you work alongside farmers, planting, harvesting, and participating in eco-friendly agricultural practices. The community aspect of WWUving is unique. You live and work with like-minded individuals who share a passion for sustainable living. Many farms provide meals made from the produce you help cultivate, emphasizing the connection between the land and your plate. WUVing is not just a journey through farmland, but a voyage into ecological awareness and responsible living. 6. Artistic residencies. Artistic residencies offer a sanctuary for creativity. These programs provide artists, whether painters, writers, or musicians, with a dedicated space to focus on their craft. The settings are often carefully chosen for their inspiring landscapes or cultural richness, making them fertile grounds for artistic exploration. Besides the physical space, artistic residencies provide an invaluable community of fellow artists. Here, you can exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, and find the support and inspiration to take your art to new heights. It's a time for self-expression, self-discovery, and the pursuit of artistic excellence. 7. Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a global community that fosters cultural exchange by connecting travelers with locals willing to offer a free place to stay. It's much more than just finding accommodation. It's about building connections and friendships. As a guest, you have the opportunity to experience a destination from a resident's perspective. Your hosts often become your guides, revealing hidden gems, local traditions, and authentic cuisine. Sharing stories and experiences, you create lasting memories, learn about the world from diverse viewpoints, and develop a deeper appreciation for the places you visit. 8. Voluntourism. Voluntourism is a travel option that combines exploration with altruism. It involves participating in volunteer programs, addressing community needs while providing accommodation and meals. Whether you're involved in teaching, healthcare, or construction, you make a tangible impact on the local community. Beyond the tangible benefits, voluntourism is a profound form of cross-cultural exchange. You immerse yourself in the community, learning about their challenges and resilience. It's an opportunity to not only see the world, but also actively contribute to its betterment. 9. Dumpster diving and foraging. Dumpster diving and foraging are unconventional yet sustainable ways to travel and live on a tight budget. Both practices involve sourcing food from unconventional places, dumpsters for discarded but still edible food, and the wild for edible plants and mushrooms. By doing so, you minimize food waste and reconnect with nature. This low-cost lifestyle allows you to allocate your funds to other travel experiences while taking pride in the environmental impact you create. 10. Houseboat living. Living on a houseboat in regions with extensive water networks offers a unique and budget-friendly accommodation option. It's a lifestyle that combines mobility and tranquility. As you explore picturesque waterways and coastal regions, the ever-changing waterfront views and the gentle rock of the boat create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Houseboat living often provides a level of self-sufficiency, with kitchens and amenities on board, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the water-based world around you. 11. Camper van or van life. Van life is a way of life that involves converting a van into a cozy mobile home. This lifestyle provides the ultimate freedom to roam, explore, and park in scenic locations of your choice. It's a minimalist and simple way of living, prioritizing experiences over possessions. The van becomes your sanctuary, a mobile base that allows you to chase good weather, discover hidden gems, and form connections with like-minded travelers. Van life fosters a supportive community where tips, campsite recommendations, and stories are readily shared among fellow adventurers. 12. Historical reenactment. Historical reenactment events and festivals transport participants back in time, allowing them to live like people from a different era. This form of experiential history is not just about wearing period clothing and reenacting battles. It's an educational and immersive journey into the past, where you partake in daily life, crafts, and cultural practices of a bygone era. For participants and spectators alike, reenactments offer a unique opportunity to learn about history through hands-on experiences and to contribute to the preservation of historical sites and traditions. 13. Homestays with indigenous communities. Homestays with indigenous communities are immersive experiences that allow travelers to deeply engage with the traditions and way of life of indigenous peoples. During these stays, you live with indigenous families, participating in their daily activities, rituals, and cultural practices. It's an opportunity to gain first-hand insight into indigenous wisdom, including herbal medicine, storytelling, art, and music. Cultural exchange is at the heart of this experience, fostering mutual understanding and respect between travelers and indigenous communities.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
14. Archaeological digs. Volunteering on archaeological digs provides a unique opportunity to actively participate in unearthing history. Your involvement may include excavation, artifact preservation, documentation, and analysis. These hands-on experiences allow you to contribute to the understanding of ancient civilizations and their contributions to our world. You'll work alongside archaeologists and experts, gaining practical knowledge in the field. Archaeological digs often take place in historically significant locations, offering insights into past cultures and the methods of preservation and research employed by archaeologists. 15. Pilgrimages and long-distance walks. Pilgrimages and long-distance walks offer transformative experiences, both spiritually and personally. Pilgrimages, such as the Camino de Santiago, provide a deep connection to history and faith as you follow ancient roots and rituals. Long-distance walks, like the Pacific Crest Trail, challenge you physically and mentally, leading to personal growth and self-discovery. Along these journeys, you'll meet fellow pilgrims or hikers, forging connections and experiencing diverse cultures and landscapes. These epic treks are not just about the destination, but the profound transformations that occur along the way. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.